October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Joining us from the Canadian Cancer Society is Dawn Cooper. Great to have you on the show.
Thank you.
It's a busy month, but as you were mentioning too, there's 200 different types of cancers, and so every day, every month, there seems to be something. Is that right?
That's exactly right. The Canadian Cancer Society, of course, supports and researches for all different types of cancers, so it is always a busy time for us.
How important is this month, just looking at the numbers, the amount of women that are affected with breast cancer, that you really encompass all of the fundraising efforts and the awareness campaigns that are built around breast cancer?
Well, it's very important because awareness, of course, makes people knowledgeable about what they should be looking out for. So breast cancer and prostate cancer both are two of the most common cancers to women and men, but they also have the highest survival rate because of that awareness. So we really strongly promote awareness of any kind of cancer, and also providing information, because when people are informed, they're less fearful, and they can make better decisions about their treatment or their options.
The one thing awareness is one thing in education, and then sometimes you can have visual keys that make a difference as well. And you just handed this to me right before the interview, and this is really quite interesting. It's going to be used as a keychain, could be, but I don't know. I'll show it to the camera. You were giving us here the different stages that we would see in terms of what women are coming across.
That's right. Yeah, and this is called a thingamaboob. And what it
thingamaboob, I love it.
What it does is it identifies the size of a lump that a woman might find if she were doing her own breast self-exam. So the largest bauble that you see here is the size of lump that you might find when you do your own breast self-exam.
And that's, of course, if she's taking the time to do her own self-examinations, absolutely.
Exactly. The next size down is one that a professional might find, so doctor or nurse, when they do your breast self-exam. And then there's a little...
two more in there. I want to be able to see them. Okay.
There's the little one right there is one that you might find when you have your mammogram. And then the little tiny one,
tiny little bead right here,
that can be found when you have regular mammograms, and so they find that they know what to look for. And the earlier they find any kind of a anomaly like that, the better chance you have of treating it successfully.
This was really an amazing visual cue. I mean, when you're looking at that in terms of finding on the mammogram, it's the size of a bead,
That's
a tiny
right.
bead that you'd probably make a necklace out of.
Exactly.
It's a remarkable and a great cue right there. And it's items like these and discussions like these that are helping women diagnose earlier and getting to their treatments a lot earlier.
Exactly. In the Canadian Cancer Society, one of our main functions is to spread the information as much as we can. So we really welcome any opportunity to provide a little bit of information. We have brochures like this that identify how to reduce your risk, and many more services that we provide as well.
Definitely the website is where you want to go. Cancer.ca will have a lot of the information that you talked about. But also, if you're looking for a really fun event, it's Grease in the World, and it's happening on Thursday, October 13th. A great kind of fun play, wonderful opportunity to take in some of our favorite movie, well, Grease. And also, there's lots of different things that are happening that evening as well, right?
That's
Little
correct.
pedicures,
Yes.
and a lot of different fun aspects. If you want to get involved, you can check out the website as well. It's $20, and it's happening on Thursday, October 13th. Thank you for all the work that you're doing and getting the information.
Thank you so much, Leanne.
We're going to take a short commercial break. Still plenty more to come here on CTV Morning Live. We're going to be getting fit with Pat Fleming. We've got Thermos joining us once again. And yes, coming up after 8 o'clock, I Get Cooking. The tweets this morning are unbelievable. We're back after this.